let's take a look at the best rice cookers you can buy today. And as usual, we have the links to all the rice cookers mentioned in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Midea MB-FS5017. This Medea has the features of a high-end rice cooker, steam, slow cook, and presets for different types of rice, but with a much friendlier price tag. In the short grain white rice tests, the top part was cooked through, but the bottom had slightly browned spots, which means heating was uneven. Unfortunately, the Medea didn't excel in brown rice testing either, as the bottom got sticky and made it difficult to remove the residue bits. Like other high-end rice cookers, the Medea can alert you when the rice is done. Ultimately, it gets the job done, but lacks the precision and sophistication needed to make quality rice. Number 4. Tiger JBV A10U. We like this Tiger because of its simplicity. Measure the rice in water, close the lid, and hit the start button. In half an hour or so, the rice will be ready. We also appreciated the synchro cooking function, which means it can cook the rice and the main dish at the same time. In the past, we tried steaming vegetables while cooking rice in the Panasonic, but the juices from vegetables kept on dripping through the holes in the steamer basket, which gave the rice a funny taste. This Tiger steamer basket is useful because the steam holes are on the sides, so there's no leakage when two dishes are cooked at the same time. However, we didn't like how much space it takes on the countertop. It's oddly tall and bulky, which also makes storing this cooker a challenge. Overall, it's a rice cooker that can make decent white rice, but it doesn't have the useful presets seen in the more advanced rice cookers that we tested. Number 3. Panasonic RDF101. If consistency is your primary concern when making rice, the Panasonic Fuzzy Rice Cooker can get the job done. I used this rice cooker in my own home for 8 years. The rice always came out fluffy yet soft and never overdone. Though this rice cooker takes longer to work than some might like, around 50 to 55 minutes, the final product is worth the wait. Using this rice cooker is also incredibly easy. It has only 4 buttons, all clearly labeled, which makes cooking a simple process. Though this rice cooker made great rice and steamed fantastic dumplings with very little effort on our part, we didn't like the design of the steamer basket. It tended to leak into the rice if both sections were cooking simultaneously. For people who are interested in making just plain white rice on a regular basis and still want to stay on budget, this is a good choice. Number 2. Zojirushi NPH CC10XH. If you call yourself a rice snob, this is the tool for you. Equipped with induction heating technology, the Zojirushi induction rice cooker is the next step up from fuzzy logic. Unlike electric rice cookers that heat solely from the bottom coil, this induction cooker heats the interior pan using a magnetic field, converting the entire pan into a heat source, which guarantees evenly cooked rice in every batch. In our testing, we were impressed not only by how fluffy the brown and jasmine rice turned out, but also delighted by the slightly umami-flavored short-grained white rice. Like other Zojirushi rice cookers, this machine allows you to adjust the texture of the rice to soft, medium, or hard. It also opens smoothly without bouncing back, which is more than we can say for other cookers we tested. It makes cooking rice safer because the top lid won't swing back and forth. The easy-to-press menu panel is also an upgrade from the average rice cookers. Its detachable inner lid makes for easy cleaning, although it's not dishwasher safe. We did find that some users have complaints about how long it takes to work. 55 minutes for white rice and 60 minutes for brown rice. In comparison, the fastest rice cooker we tested takes about 30 minutes to cook a batch of short-grained white rice. But every Zojirushi model we tested has a quick cook function for users who are in a rush to get the rice ready. The quality of the cooked rice is slightly inferior, but overall it's not a bad feature to have. If you have the money, this is an excellent upgrade. It just doesn't balance features and price as well as our best overall. Number 1. Zojirushi NS CC10. After producing consistent and flavorful batches of brown rice, short-grain white rice, and jasmine rice, this Zojirushi rice cooker came out on top. It's the only rice cooker with side handles on the inner pan, which makes removing cooked rice easier and safer. It incorporates fuzzy logic, meaning the microchip inside the appliance adjusts the temperature and cook time to make up for any mismeasured water-to-rice ratio. The Zojirushi has convenient presets for most rice types that, when combined with the machine's fuzzy logic, can turn out perfectly cooked brown rice, porridge, sushi rice, and more. Its retractable power cord and plastic fold-down handle also make both transport and storage easy. Although we love its presets, we found this cooker's control panel to be less than intuitive. To successfully select the proper menu option and start cooking, we had to hold the rice cooker still with one hand and press it hard to get it to respond. However, this minor inconvenience didn't discourage us from loving the Zojirushi, as it consistently made the best quality rice in our testing. Thanks for watching.